Cariza. And Cariza is our Cherokee vulture. If you're wondering why they call her that, just take a look on this beautiful red bald head. They look like turkey, right? You know the turkey vulture, they have very good sense of smell. And they can easily smell their prey for long distance, even if they are flying on the top of forest canopy. You can smell it to up to 1.6 kilometers approximately. But you know during the daytime what they will do? They prefer to stay under the sunlight. They will open their wings like a solar panel. And it will get some anybody out. Wow, so big! Our Himalayan griffon vulture. We're not done yet with the vulture. Take a look on the top, and here comes Lucy, our Eurasian griffon vulture. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, these are our beautiful griffon vulture. Again, yes, they are beautiful. You know, some people, some on the media, again, some of them, they are posting a lot of pictures that they are full of blood. It's true, because they are looking for the food inside the dead bodies of animals, and they are bored. But even though they are very keen, so if they will find water body like this, they will not think twice to wash themselves after each meal. You know, these birds, they are very helpful for us. How? Because they are looking for the food inside dead bodies. That means they are cleaning the environment from all bacteria and disease. But you know, ladies and gentlemen, all the birds we have with us today, all of them, they are really suffering in the wild. And all of us, we can do a lot to save them and protect them. And if you're wondering what it can do, yes, we can do a lot. All of us, we can do a lot. What we can do? By throwing your garbage in correct place, supporting the local organization, and avoid using chemical and plastic in our gardens. It will really make a big difference, and it will help these birds to survive. We have to remember always that protecting the nature does mean we are protecting our own existence. Ladies and gentlemen, sadly, we reached the end of this presentation. On behalf of myself, David Hunter, the trainer, and the rest of the Voice of Forest family, we hope that you enjoyed the presentation. I wish you a lovely day out here at the Voice of Warqa. Thank you so much.